Alright, YouTube, what it do? It's your boy AJ again. I don't know if this finna go in part of this other video that I'm creating, but basically, in the last part, I did the what you call that? Goddamn me, thermostat. Yeah, I put a 160 thermostat in it. I put the front bumper on. I don't know what I did, but that's what I was doing. I was really trying to fix all the cooling problems I was having with this car. Plus, I put the bumper on. So right now, I'm finna show y'all what I'm doing now because, like I told y'all, the transmission temps was getting high. So I got a transmission cooler. Right now I'm trying to figure out where I'm gonna put it. But let me turn the camera around and show y'all what's the idea I got going. All right, y'all. So of course, there's the motor, and this is the transmission cooler I bought. So I was thinking about putting it right in front of the condenser, because I mean, that's really the only other place I could put it. And zip tie it through the condenser, cool. What I was trying to figure out was these lines, because these lines is what's gonna throw me off. Put it on is gonna be the easy part. But if you look at these transmission cooler lines, it has these on there. And I know it go down in there somewhat like this. So you screw that part on, you got the up end curve, boom, go around the, well, it's probably more like this. Like this. I don't know, but it's somewhat like this. So this go into there and then it go down there until those two hoses that go right, those two right there. So that's where these go, and as you see these, it has this part on there. So I don't know how, like I text Marty, but he ain't text me back. So I'm assuming I'm left on my own with this situation. So what I was thinking about doing was, okay, you push it down in there, and I don't know if I showed y'all the bent one, but it's gonna be hard to see. Maybe you can see this. Let me see if I can clear this up, move everything out the way. But that line right at the very bottom, I can see it, but I don't know if y'all can see it. Basically, the one that's closest right here, this one right here, is bent at the bottom. So I gotta replace that. And like I said, the problem is it's bent, but how am I supposed to put the cooling hose through it, or the transmission line through it? So what I'm thinking about doing is cutting this like about right there, because if not, then I'm just take it back to the junkyard and tell them that it must have had a weak spot in it and it broke. So I'm gonna take it right here and cut it, and then hopefully these hoses can probably put some RTV on it over there, cut it, RTV it, slide the hose over it, hose clamp it, let the RTV dry, and hopefully it don't leak, because I gotta figure that out. I'm thinking I might have to take this front bumper off, because if the line is kinked, that means it was kinked from that. And if it's kinked from that, then that means that this is possibly, gonna still have it to where this one can't go in. So I might have to take this front bumper back off and then take that bar off. So I think that's probably what I'm gonna do first, is take this front bumper off. You take these corner lights out. There's either an 8 or a 10 on these, and then the bumper should pull right out. Well, that's how mine is, because I don't got nothing that's connected to it. But let me go ahead and do that, and then I'm gonna try to get back with y'all when I figure out exactly what I'm finna do. I hope I don't have to. I'm gonna figure it out, and then I'm gonna let y'all know exactly what I did. All right, y'all, so I got this crash bar off, that piece, and I had to force this piece off. I had to hammer this piece off, because this part was, I guess, guy almost molded onto it. So I got this off, and now I can show y'all the line that is bent, which is this one right here. And like I said, I gotta try to figure out how to get that line. Okay, you can see it a little bit more now. This line to go that way. So like I said, I'm thinking about taking it and cutting it halfway through, RTVing it, and then hose clamping it, because that might be able to get to it. So let's see, this one looks decent. Oh, damn. This one is definitely okay. It's supposed to go up more like that. So I'm gonna go ahead and undo this hose, that line right there, because then once I undo that one, then I can move it around to see which one I need to undo at the bottom, which is yeah, I see it. Try to stick out those two right there. So it's one of those two. Once I undo that one, I can move it around to see which one it is, and then I can go ahead and connect. Oh, I didn't got lightheaded. Hold on. Ooh. I done drunk water, but I don't know if it's just hot outside or what, but I almost just passed out. I probably need to get some sleep. That's probably what I'm missing is a bunch of sleep. But I'm too tired, bro. I just been working non-stop 5-6 days a week at work. Getting off work on the off days, working on this car, going out of town, same night, coming back, same night. Your boy is tired, but I'm dedicated to trying to get this done and change this stuff we call life. So let me go ahead and get back to this, and then that's why y'all ain't seeing me record like that, because now I just be trying to get it done. But let me go ahead and undo that, and then I'm gonna cut the camera back on. All right, y'all, so I done did a little something from the hood. I done did a little work. Anyways, try to stop buzzing, but I done did a little work real quick. I'm gonna go ahead and show y'all what I done did so far, and I'm gonna show y'all what I'm doing next. Okay. All right, so as you see, I got this hooked up. I got, you probably can't see it, but I got that line in. So now all I gotta do is connect this to that, and I did this. This is what I meant by I was gonna cut it. Hopefully this worked. I'm thinking about sticking some in this one just to flare it out just a little bit, but I'm gonna stick the hose over this and then just RTV it and hose clamp it. That should be good enough. So that's where I'm at so far. I just need to bolt this in. Oh, my door closing. I think I got a ghost. The taxi is hunted. Oh, but I'm finna go ahead and screw this in. And then once I do that, then I have enough room to put the other side of the hose on, and we gonna see if this leak or not. Cause I'm gonna go ahead and plug all this up, and I'm gonna start it to see if this leak anywhere. If it don't leak, I might be good. And I gotta go get some more transmission fluid because I done took this condenser off twice. I'm finna add some more fluid or some more capacity to this because of the cooler. So I'm pretty sure it's gonna need a little bit more coolant or more transmission fluid. So I'm finna go ahead and put this back together, and then once I do that, hopefully it don't leak. And if it don't leak, I'm good. All right, y'all, so I got the hose in right there, hose in right there, hose in right there. And my last one part right here is just screwing this piece back in, and I should be all right, you feel me? I should be good. I had to line this one up so I can get it in there all the way, but we almost done. Almost got the transmission cooler. I cut this one, put, like I said, I put RTV on it. I don't know if you can see it. Probably not. But it got RTV on it and a hose clamp. So, like I said before, I bolt this down all the way. You see it tight right there. Boom, boom, right in the middle. I can move that hose down. Oh, I don't even know if y'all seen that. I move that down towards the middle. Make sure ain't none of these hoses too far in the way. Nope. We got us a transmission cooler, gang. No cap. So now we gotta, I'm probably gonna wait like 10 minutes, let the RTV dry, and then we're gonna start the car, and we finna see if it run or not. So, got it all put together, and I'll catch y'all in 10 minutes and a few seconds for y'all, no cap. All right, y'all, we're finna start the car and see if it's leaking or not. I don't know how my steering wheel locked. Going through it not, but it's not leaking though. I might be good. I might be good. I think it's fluid going through it. I'm gonna drop it a little later to see if it is, but I'm gonna try to fix this AC line or the AC wire, and after that, I'm gonna take it for a drive to see if we good or not. All right, y'all, so I got it connected back, so I'm trying to see if I can solder it back together, but how hard I gotta twist it over there. I may not have to, but I still want it. I still think it's though. But the air working though. Y'all feel it? Y'all feel that air? Oh, bro, it's cold. No cap, it's cold. It's cold. Yeah! AC, no cap. I know y'all feel it. Y'all feel it? I know y'all feel it. Y'all ain't gotta tell me. It feel good. But yeah, though, we still trying to see. I mean, it's going up a tad bit, but it keep falling back down, you see? I think normally by now it'll probably be in at 130, 120. I mean the cooling temp at 164. That's at 115. Is at 115. Is it gonna fall or stay? I mean, of course it's gonna rise, but I just need to make sure this stay cooler than 190 at least. I mean 116 cool. 164, it's going up, but I ain't gonna be able to know until I drive it. It went back to 116. I mean 115. I don't know, but as long as it's not raising as high as it was the last time, I'm really straight. I got the AC on too, so it should be, motor should be revved up higher. But I'm just glad we got that fixed. It's not leaking, my idea worked, and hopefully we don't have an issue at all. You know, hopefully you don't turn around and start messing back up. But so far so good. So we done rebuilt the rear end, we done fixed the rig, windshield still busted, got a cooler in there, 160 thermostat. What else have I done? We got the front bumper. We gotta go get us a new crash bar and figure out how to get this back straight. But other than that, we almost back. We almost back 100. All we gotta do is finish painting this and we'll be good. We'll be back to where we left off at. So everything seemed to be decent. You know what I'm saying? So whenever you feel like something bad gonna happen, don't even worry about it, bro. Just keep working. Whenever you feel like something gonna happen, just keep working, bro. Don't let it stress you out. You gonna figure it out. You gonna always figure it out. Always. See? Still 116. Falling back down. Let's see if we can feel if the cooler get warm. But it's been at 116 for a minute. Honestly, it's not. You see, I got my hand on it. It's not even high. Like I can feel fluid going through it, but it ain't hot at all though. Like compared to what this feel like, if that's 160 and this 110, like it's not even hot. So I'm gonna catch y'all in a minute. I'm gonna go take it for a drive and see what it's looking like. But until then, I'm gonna let it run. The AC blowing, let it run for a second. I'm gonna probably clean everything up, then I'm gonna catch y'all in just a second. Okay.